Hello and welcome dear children to your third computer lesson. So I hope you are all doing well and taking care of your health. In today's class we are going to learn about the taskbar and start menu in Windows 10. Okay, we'll learn about Windows 10 start menu and taskbar. Okay children, so first of all we'll see what is a desktop. So a desktop is the first screen that appears on the monitor is called desktop. Okay, so when you switch on your computer, I'm sure you have learnt already how to switch on and switch off a computer properly, right? So when you start your computer, this is the first screen that you will see. So when you see the screen, this is called a desktop. There are small pictures that appear on this desktop, and this is called icons. These icons provide a shortcut for different application. We can change the appearance of this desktop and we can do many other things. So we will see in this chapter what all we can do on this desktop. So let's see what are the different elements of a desktop. So the desktop interface is divided into three main elements. Okay children, three, and they are then further subdivided. So let's see what are the first three main elements, and then we will see what are the further ones. So the first three main elements, one is the desktop area, then next is the icons, and the third is the taskbar. Okay children, so what are the three main elements? Desktop area, icons and taskbar. So every one of the elements that have different tasks to perform. Okay, so all these three elements have different tasks to perform. So we will see more what are they. So the first one, that is desktop area. So what you see here, this is the whole desktop area. Then second, icons. So these what you see here, they are called icons. These small pictures that you see, they are called desktop icons. And the third thing is the taskbar. So what you see in this bottom row, this is the taskbar. So now let's further discuss what are the different works of these each elements, what task each of these elements perform. Okay, I hope you have understood till here. These are the three main elements of the desktop. Then now we'll see desktop area. Now what is a desktop area? The desktop area is the blank space on the screen that consists of a background or wallpaper. Now we all have wallpapers on our phone, right? We can change it to our pictures or your own self picture or a group picture or any pictures of dogs, cats, animals or flowers, anything that you like. You can change the background, right? So same way on even the computer, you can change this wallpaper. You can do you can put whatever picture you want, and you can change this desktop area wallpaper. So the desktop area consists of a background wallpaper and different icons of files, folders and applications. So what you see here, these are the applications, right? So these different applications and this wallpaper is on the desktop area. So the background image that covers the entire desktop is called a wallpaper. So what you see here behind is a wallpaper, and you can change it according to your preference. See, this is themes. You have to go and you can select whichever picture you want, and you can change the background. So this is on the desktop area. Now next, let's see what are the icons. So on the desktop area, there are small graphical representations of files, folders and application. They are called icons. Okay children, so on this desktop you can see there are different files, there are applications. Okay, so these are small graphical representations of different folders, files and application. These are called icons and they are on the desktop area. So the most common icons on the desktop are, see, these four. Okay, on any Windows 10 desktop, these four will always be there. Okay, when you start a new computer, when you bring a new computer and you start your computer, these four icons will always be there. So these, that is recycle bin, network, this PC and Microsoft Edge. So let's see what are these different icons for. So first, this PC. This PC allows you to view and manage the data stored on the computer in different drives. Okay, so when you click on this PC icon, then this pop-up comes. Okay, you can see the different files that you have stored in your computer. Okay, all the pictures, videos, and all the different things are all assembled here, and they are separated to different files and folders, and they are displayed in this PC. So it stores our data systematically. Next is networks. So networks allows you to view all the computers that are connected to the network. So now when you come to school, you see there are many computers, like in many computers are attached to each other, so they are connected to each other. So in networks, when you open networks, so you will be able to see the different computers that are connected with each other through the same Wi-Fi or the printer. Okay, so all the different computers that are in the same place are connected to each other, so that you can see in networks. Next is the recycle bin. So recycle bin allows you to view the deleted files and folders. Now suppose you do want something, you do want some pictures because they are bad, and then you delete it. So when you delete it, it will go in the recycle bin. Okay, so when you delete any of your files, it will go in the recycle bin. And you can, if you have by mistake deleted something you didn't want to delete, then you can also restore the deleted files or folders to the original location. So from where you deleted, it will get restored and it will go in the same place, and it will get saved again. So recycle bin is like a safe spot. After you delete your files, they are still there on your PC, but if you delete from recycle bin, then it's gone forever. Okay, so this is your recycle bin. Okay, see, now all this are deleted, but if you want to restore, we can click on restore this selected item, and from where you deleted it, it will go back to that same place. Okay, so this is recycle bin. Now next, Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge allows you to search for specific information by using the internet. Like you have Google Chrome, then you have UC browser, right? That way, even Microsoft Edge is a internet browser that is available on your PC, and you can use it for searching whatever information you want. Okay, okay children, I hope you all have understood till here the different common icons that are available on Windows 10. Next we will see the taskbar. Now as you remember, the taskbar is this bottom strip. Okay, I showed you first this bottom strip that is at the down side of the monitor. Okay, so this is the taskbar. So that it allows us to view icons of the applications and files that are active. So whatever applications we are using, these that are active, these are available on this taskbar. Okay, so when you open a file, there will be a pop-up here that this file is open. So on this taskbar you can see what files you are working on. Okay, okay children, now next we can also access the start button. See, this is the start button, Cortana. Okay, this is Cortana. Then task view and the system tray from the taskbar. Okay, which is on the bottom. We can have there are these different buttons that we can access on the taskbar. So now we will see what are these different buttons used for, and what are the different tasks these perform individually. Okay, so first we will see the start button. Now the start button is here. Okay, this is the start button. So we can access the start menu by clicking the start button. By clicking the start button, we can access the start menu. So when you click on the start button, this is the menu that will open. This is called the start menu, which okay. So the start menu is a graphical user interface. Okay, see, you can see all these are graphics are there are icons. So it's a graphical user interface that allows you to access all the programs whatever programs are on your computer, everything, all of them, you can find it here. Any program, any application that are installed on a computer, you will find it in the start menu. Okay, so now we will see what are the different parts of the start menu. This is the expand menu. Okay, this button that you see here, 3 lines, this is called the expand menu. This is the left column. Okay, left column. Then next we have the application list. So now this list that you see here, if you scroll this list, you can scroll this list up and down. So in this list you will find all the applications and programs that are on your computer. Next, this is the account. So when you do a login of your account, right, when you are using Google Classroom also, you have to use a account, right? The school has given you an account. So same way on this computer also you can do a account login. Okay, so the account login will be seen here. Then next is documents. This will, if you click on this, whatever documents are there in the documents file of your computer will open. Then next is pictures. You can click on this and the pictures file will open. Next is settings. This settings, every computer or mobile phone, everything requires some settings to personalize it, to use it according to how you want. So when you click something, what should open, what not should happen, everything you can do from settings. Then next is the power button. So now we will see what are the different inner things that come inside. What is, when you click on this expand menu, what comes, then in application list what is there, we will see all of this in detail. Okay children, I hope you understood this different parts in this start menu. Okay, also we have Windows Live Tile. Okay, so we'll see also this one. Windows Live Tile is, these tiles keep moving. Okay, they change, they keep changing. So we'll see in detail all of these parts, okay, of the start menu. So first, the elements of the start menu. The first one that we seen was the expand icon. This icon allows you to view the names of all the menu items, such as, see, when you click on this start, it will show you what all is there. So this is the account, see, Madison. This is the account name, user. Then there's file explorer, there's settings, there's power. Okay, so when you click on this will expand the menu. First, like you could only see here, you could only see all these different things. You couldn't see the account name or the settings, power, nothing could be seen, right? So here you get to see all of those. The next is the left column. It is a vertical list consisting of first account. So this vertical column, right, this left column, so it consists of an account that displays the name of the user. Okay, see here you can see Madison. Same way on this also, if you clicked on this expand over here, you would get the account user name. The next is the documents icon, which allows you to access the document files. Okay children, I told you this already. Then pictures, the pictures icon will allow you to access all the images on in the file. Then there is a settings icon that allows you to access and view the Windows setting option. We can alter, that is, we can change settings related to our system, device, phone, network, display and internet using this option. So these many things you can do, any changes you want to do, any change in the system you're using or the devices that are connected to your computer or the phones, network, whatever internet network you are using, you want to change that, you want to change your display, you want to change your background, everything you can do from this settings button. Okay children, next is the power button. So this power icon allows you to have these options like sleep. Sleep is when you want to use the computer, but right now at that moment you don't want to use, so you can just keep it at sleep, and then when you click on any button on the keyboard or anything, or you click on the mouse, the computer will start again. Then there is shutdown. So when you're done with all your work, you can close your PC. And there is also restart. So when you get a computer update or you want to restart your computer is getting hanged, then you can click on restart and your computer will switch off and switch on again. So these were the different buttons of the start menu. So next we'll see what is the application list. So now first I showed you, right, This is the application list. You can scroll it up and scroll it down, and you will get many more. So you can see A, B, C. So this way it will be continuously there till Z. Whatever application and files and folders are there on your computers, that are installed on your computers, all can be seen from this place. Okay. Then we have Windows Live Tile. So Windows Live Tile shows you information such as social networking. See here, you can see all the social networking things are there. Skype is there, right? News. So you can have social networking things here. You can have games. Okay, so you can see your games are there. Then our messaging system is also there. Emails, right? Then whatever applications you have recently used can be seen, and other features in real time. So you can see this is changing, this is changing. So in real time it keeps changing. That's why it's called Windows Live Tile. Okay, understood, children? Next we will see the how to pin apps to the start menu. Okay, so when you want to use an app again and again, and whenever you start your PC, you will always use this app. So you can pin a application to your start menu. Okay, so how to do that, we will see that. Okay, so application list allows us to pin or unpin any application of programs for easy access. Okay, so you can directly open it from there only, instead of searching it in the application list. Okay, so we can pin an application to the start menu. We can view the functionality of the app on the Windows Live Tile. So when you pin something, see, you can pin, you want to pin alarm and clock. Okay, so you click on this pin to start, so it will get pinned to the start. And it can also, this can be also a live tile. Okay, and it will move also. If you click, if you do it, if you access it, you can, the tiles will move. So we will, this is how you pin an app to the start menu. This is the application list. And now suppose you will use this every day. So instead of scrolling down and searching this app every time, you can directly just pin it. So whenever you start the start menu, you will get this first. Okay, children, I hope you understood this now. Okay, so now next we have Cortana. So what does this do? Cortana is a personalized virtual digital assistant for Microsoft Windows that allows its users to search for information. Then it can search for document or applications, set reminders, send emails and messages, manage a calendar, play music or videos, next, and manage all our programs and applications. Okay, it also uses a voice control feature, that is, and it uses Bing search engine to search for information required. So Cortana is a digital assistant, like you have OK Google. You say OK Google, and then Google will search for you whatever you want, or it can set a reminder for you, it can play music, it can call someone, right? And then you also have Apple Siri, right? So same way Cortana is also a digital assistant which also uses voice feature. See, you can see here there is a voice feature also, and it uses this Bing search option, Bing search engine to search for whatever information you require. So this is also a AR which is there for Microsoft Windows. Okay, children, so this was Cortana for you. Next is the task view. So what is the task view? See, this what you see here is the task view. Okay, children, so what does task view do? So the task view option on the taskbar, so we did this, right? This is the taskbar. So the task view option on the taskbar acts as a virtual desktop manager. It allows us to arrange our active application and programs and switch between two applications. So when you click on this, then you can see your different active applications. Like even on your phone you have this task view, right? When you click that, all your apps that are open, you can see them. Same way on computer also, in Windows 10 we have a task view, and we can switch between whatever applications we want after clicking on that. Now the task view has different features. So it provides us a timeline feature. Okay, so when you click on the task view, you will get a timeline. See, that is from what is open now till what was there earlier today till a few days ago. So it gives you a history feature, okay, of all the tasks that you have performed and whatever apps and applications you have used or programs you have used. You can see them all in this task view. So we can track whatever activities we have performed on our computer for a period of 1 month. So how much? 30 days. So for 30 days, whatever you have opened, whatever you have used, so you can see earlier today, yesterday. You can scroll down this timeline and you will see whatever you have done in the whole month. So this also helps us to easily reopen any application or program that we are using in the last 30 days. So in the last 30 days, what all we have used, we can see here. So if you want to continue from the same place what you had stopped, so then you will find it here and then you can just click on it and you will get it. So any program or application you have used in the last 30 days, you can continue working on that from this place. Okay, children? So the task view also helps us to create multiple desktop. Okay, this allows us to perform dedicated tasks in specific desktop. So we can make, see, now you want to do a window, you want to search information only in one of the desktop, so you can create a new desktop. Okay, this is how you create a new desktop. You can either directly click on new desktop or you can just drag something that you're working on and put it in a new desktop. So you can keep different desktops to work on different things. Like one you can keep only for doing your school work and homework, then other desktop your mommy and daddy can use for their work. So this way you can do different desktops and you can perform different dedicated tasks in this separate desktops. Okay, children, I hope you understood till here. Now next we will see what is active applications. Now on this taskbar we see this is the active applications. Okay, what you see here, if any file, applications, we have opened them, then they appear here. Okay, children, these icons that you see here on the taskbar, they are called active applications. That is, they are on and you are using them right now. So we can also pin some applications so that if you want to use it every time, and instead of going to menu and also you can pin to taskbar, so you can see directly pin it over here. So you are going to use an application always and you think every time you have to open start and then you have to search, so you can do this. You can pin it to your taskbar and then directly whenever you start a computer, you can directly click on the application you want to use. Okay, so this is how you pin a app to the taskbar. Okay, first we seen how to pin an application to a start menu. Now we seen how to pin an application to the taskbar. This is the taskbar. So we can pin an app to the taskbar. We can easily the application without searching for it in the application list of the start menu. Right, children? So once you have pinned it, you don't need in the app list, right? So this is what active application is. We can also pin an application like this. You have to just drag and then you can pin it or unpin it. So this is how you unpin also. If you want to pin, you can just drag and place it there and it will get pinned to taskbar. And if you don't want it anymore, you can do unpin from taskbar. Similarly, we can also unpin an application from the taskbar like this. So you go to store, there is unpin from start also. Then if you do more, you'll get unpin from taskbar. So this is also one way of unpinning an application from the taskbar. Now last is a system tray. Now what is a system tray? On the taskbar, I showed you right before also, this is the taskbar. On the taskbar in the bottom right corner, you will see this notification area. This is also known as the system tray or notification area. So what you see here, this is called the system tray. This is on the bottom right of the taskbar. Okay, children? So some of the commonly found application icons in the system tray includes hidden icon. Okay, see, when you click on this, there are all hidden icons. Then there is a digital clock, a digital audio, language, then date and time, and notification. Okay, children, so when you click on this, you will get all the hidden icons. Okay, you will see all the hidden icon. Then when you click on this, you will get the audio. Okay, digital audio. So you can make the volume up or you can make it down. Okay, so this also you get in the system tray. Then you get language preference. You can click on this ENG, this is English. When you click on this, you can change languages on the computer. Now if somebody who knows Marathi is operating, so you can change this language from here. This is in the system tray. Then also you get date and time. So you can see here, right, date and time. And there is also some other notifications, like see here, you can see here, this is for notification. Like you have 9 notifications. In your mobile phones also you get this notifications, right? Same way, even in a computer you get notifications here. Okay children, thank you. That's all for today. Enjoy your day. Bye.